Oh boy, I'm gonna regret this, I think. So.
Are you okay?
I'm good. It really does seem sturdy. But I kind of fell on the rotted part. Now
and it didn't look rotted, did it?
It looks sturdy.
Yep, just like it did 2 years ago.
See, there's nothing falling off here. See? Right?
Okay, go. On your mark, get set, go.
Oh my god. Okay, seriously. This may not be the best idea I've ever had. Okay. Oh god, there's You're not helping. You wait, because you gotta cross this.
Who says? I'm just gonna go jump in the truck and leave.
You know what? At this point, I'm closer to the truck.
Shit, you're right.
Okay. We're gonna do this. Okay.
It's not that far of a fall, really. You'll be fine.
This is, oh, there's a big one. I'm pretty sure Bear Giles doesn't cross this. But just in case he does.
I'm afraid to stop recording because I know this thing's gonna crack.
I'm halfway across. Have some faith. I'm just gonna make it to the big one. I hope it's not. Oh god, I'm really not gonna be happy if this thing breaks underneath me. Oh boy.
Oh my god. It's pretty sturdy.
Please don't break. Don't break.